In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use event monitoring in Salesforce, a powerful feature that allows you to track user activity, analyze performance, and spot security risks. It's an invaluable tool for administrators looking to enhance their organizational oversight. So, let's dive in and walk through these steps together. First, you'll want to log into your Salesforce account. This is your starting point for accessing all of Salesforce's robust capabilities, event monitoring included. Once you're successfully logged in, your next step is to head straight to the Setup menu. You can easily find this by clicking on the gear icon located on the top right of your Salesforce interface. This will lead you to Advanced Setup, where we'll conduct most of our operations today. After you're in the Advanced Setup area, there's a handy tool called Quick Find on the left-hand side. Type Event Monitoring into the search bar, and Salesforce will direct you to the Event Monitoring section. If this feature is not already active in your account, you will need to enable it. Keep in mind that enabling event monitoring requires you to have a Shield license, as this is an advanced feature offered by Salesforce to enhance security and compliance capabilities. Now, let's explore the event log file browser. Here you get to select the types of events you want to monitor. This could be anything from logins and API calls to report exports, depending on what activities are relevant to your organization's needs. The choice of event type dictates the scope of monitoring, so choose wisely based on what insights are most critical for your operations. Once you've picked your event types, it's time to download the event log files. You have the option to save these files in either CSV or JSON format. CSV is generally more user-friendly and commonly used for spreadsheet applications, whereas JSON is optimal for advanced data processing. With your log files downloaded, you'll want to open them using applications such as Excel, Splunk, or Tableau CRM. These tools are excellent for conducting detailed analysis, each offering unique features suited to different analytical preferences and requirements. For example, if you're more comfortable with spreadsheet-based analysis, Excel would be your go-to. For more complex data analysis needs, Splunk or Tableau CRM offers advanced visualization and data processing capabilities. Finally, with your data at your fingertips, you can start tracking user activities, analyzing system performance, and identifying potential security risks. Monitoring this data allows you to maintain a secure and efficient Salesforce environment, making proactive adjustments as necessary to enhance organizational productivity and security. And there you have it, an overview of how to utilize event monitoring in Salesforce. By integrating this tool into your routine, you can provide valuable insights into your organization's operational health, ensuring you stay ahead in managing user activities and safeguarding your data. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.